Waste of time. Expert on gold says you're not going to like the answers. Check this out. This is from Investopedia, and they look at the numbers. They look at the hard data. Back in 1971, you put $100 into gold. Today, it would be around $7,000. But if you put $100 pumped into the S&P 500 back then, with dividends, with reinvesting, you could be worth $26,000. Gold is like a snail when you're looking at it that way. And stats show over the past 54 years, listen to this. You look at the past 54 years, gold only outperformed the S&P 500 23 of those years. That's it. Meanwhile, S&P's delivered an 11.5% annualized return compared to gold's 8.2%. This is what they're showing in Investopedia. It's relentless. It's crushing. It's undeniable. It's just staggering when you look at it this way. Look at this. This is from Gainesville Coins. And here's where the shine dulls. Buying gold, it often means paying easy 5% over spot. This is where we've been at for the past year. You add in anything semi-numismatic, any of these fancy coins, they're easily going up to 20% over spot. And the buyback for gold, when you're selling, you get hit right away. You put in storage on that. You put insurance on that. It quickly chips away at the returns. So some vaults, they're charging up to 1.5% annually. If you have holdings under 20K, anybody who's involved in gold-backed IRAs, you know this experience. You get charged through the nose. Then you got states with capital gains taxes, transaction minimums. In short, your investment, it hemorrhages money before it even gets going. Look at this from Schwab.com. They break it down. They're showing gold doesn't build anything. It doesn't earn dividends. It tells you how nervous investors are. That's what it tells you. But during stock market crashes, gold could pop 7%, easy. And meanwhile, the S&P 500 will drop 23%, yes, but in stable times, it drifts. Real interest rates, fear, US dollar, all that sentiment, it dictates the price, and it shows how gold really performs over time. Gold bullion is a glittery manifest of fear. That's what this shows us, not growth. It's following fear. Your capital slumps under the weight of all those costs. Meanwhile, it could be empowering real growth elsewhere. This is what this data is showing us. And when you look at it through this light, it really makes you turn your head quick. Now, for me, I'm a silver bug. Silver is an entirely different beast. Get some silver yourself. Click that link in the description. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they're holding this contest, giving away 20 Eagles. 20. Click that link in the description below. Don't miss out.